everybody. Yo, this is a momentous occasion. Yo, I love you. I love you. The passion in my heart, it beats for y'all and hip hop. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's DJ Khaled. I'm the best, nigga. We the best. You know what I'm saying? I'm here celebrating two things, motherfucker. Episode 159 of the Bodega Boys podcast. And also the motherfucking revolutions around the sun of Desus and Mero, the gods. You know what I'm saying? So what I did was, I'm the illest collaboration ever to happen in the history of birthdays, yo. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to give it up one time for the birthday boys, Desus Nice and the kid Mero. You know what I'm saying? The Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying? I also want y'all to give it up one time for Ace Hood, Ludacris, Justin Bieber's pastor, the nigga that Justin Bieber was engaged to for like a week. You know what I'm saying? We got another one. Yo, Aside, you got something to say? That's my son. That's Hasan. He's a king. Look at the Versace. Yo, we coming back. Yo, happy birthday to these old ass niggas. Yo, you niggas is millennials, but you not. You know what I'm saying? But I respect it. Yo, please welcome Chanel West Coast. You know what I'm saying? Also featuring Rob Deerdeck. You doing that funny ass walk that he be doing. You know what I'm saying? Also featuring on the track, I got Maya Angelou. She knows why the cage bird sings. You feel me? You feel me? We got motherfucking Frederick Douglass on deck. You know what I'm saying? We also got Aaron Judge. You know what I mean? Charles Oakley. We got everybody. Another one. All I do is win. I'm a hit maker, baby. I respect hip hop. I do this shit for the culture. You understand what I'm saying? Big up to the Bodega Boys on their motherfucking 50,000th revolution around the sun. Lion! Yo, do the fucking drop, yo. Oh shit, matter of fact, last feature. Yo, we got Don Q from Highbridge. That nigga's here, he's not gonna rap. He's just gonna shoot somebody. But yo, do the fucking drop. Let's go. We the best. Listen.
Bodega Boys in the building. Shout out to DJ Khaled.
Yo, I took my headphones off like I was done, nigga. Like, yo, my work here is done.
That's how he feels after he put 13 niggas in the booth at one time. And that's a track.
Like, that's a track, my nigga. Yo,
taking notes aside.
Yo, just walk around the mic. Yo, just all circle around the mic, all of y'all.
Every fucking session looks like We Are the World.
Yo, exactly. Just get out of my head. I was about to say, I was like, yo, this nigga just really does We Are the World. Like, we rap every time. He's like, yo, that We Are the World shit was brilliant.
Nigga just calling Cyndi Lauper all the time. She's like, yo, leave me alone.
She's like, stop.
Oh, episode 159. Yeah. 159. The most dangerous podcast in the world.
The motherfucking world is
coming to you live from the jam room at Milk Studios. You know what I'm saying?
Because we're jamming.
We jamming. We want to jamming with you. Shout out to all my NYU students in their first year. You got your Bob Marley poster put up, and you burn a little incense.
You know what I mean? You got your Bob Marley rolling papers.
You know what I'm saying?
True to the culture.
You got a hacky sack, and maybe you got a guitar.
You know
maybe you go to Astor Place. You know what I'm saying? Play a little Incubus.
Yeah.
While you waiting for the 6 train. Yeah. I believe they call it busking.
Yeah. Shout out to Incubus.
You know what I'm saying?
I wish you were here.
I wish you were here. Shout out to Square Cash, you know what I'm saying? Got that the Cash App right there. They got us. They covering the cost of clearing that Incubus sample.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. Shout out to Garrett.
Yo, shout out to Showtime. You know what it is. We got the #1 show in late night, Mondays and Thursdays.
Monday and Thursday.
You know what I'm saying?
And we are off to a fucking uproarious start.
Uproarious.
You know what I'm saying?
Love that song.
Everybody's fucking loving that shit.
Uproarious is, that's the word I would use to describe my actions on parent-teacher night to my parents. And I was like, the teachers don't see it that way. I was like, I'm just a young Lin-Manuel.
They lying on me.
Okay?
They lying on me, man. Listen.
All right. They said I'm making jokes, but watch when I get older, I'm going to have a late night show. My parents is like, what? Don't hit me in front of Miss Zimmerman.
I'll whoop your blood bladder. That's what we got.
Just be in the car like, shit.
Damn.
Just a narrator voice like, damn. these niggas gonna kill me.
Damn, they gonna fuck me up. Oh man, damn.
And I'll be like, yo, why we don't go see the gym teacher though?
Yeah,
Like he got something positive to say.
Yeah, yo, let's go to gym and art first.
Go
You know
to
what I'm saying?
Go to the gym teacher, the gym room. Like, all the gym teachers got on like a fucking tie over the t-shirt.
Oh, you already know.
They're reading porn magazines. There's like mad cups and shit on the table. They gotta like clear it off. They're like, oh wow, no one ever comes to visit us.
Oh hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Hey.
Hey,
Oh, I love your son. Like he's in the gym like 7 periods of the day. I'm like, come on, man.
You make it hot, nigga.
No, act like I be going to class.
Come on, Mr. Salowitz, stop. Oh man, B. Shout out to all my Jewish gym teachers out there.
All my Jewish gym teachers who had the mean set shot.
You know what I mean?
Just unnecessary.
Yo, totally unnecessary.
Never leave the ground, but the ball never touches the hoop.
rim,
It just goes right through.
Swish.
Just back when the game was played the right way with no hip hop and no tattoos.
Yeah. He's like, check this out.
Back when Bob Cousy could kill a man by using his left and then his right hand.
Oh shit. How I could just kill a man, nigga just break a nigga.
We gotta do like the wild highlight reel of him. I could just kill a man. Just him crossing niggas. Crossing niggas like,
here is something you can't understand. How I could just dribble, man.
Oh man. You realize like Damian Leonard's shot and Quali's shot, like a nigga hit a 3-pointer back then, and that was the same effect.
Yo,
like,
whoa, my God.
He hit that from 10 feet out.
Whoa, incredible.
Whoa. Final score of the finals was like 9-7.
9-7. Niggas didn't even move the ball around. They just sat there in bowling shoes. Like, yo, what do I do? I'm the tall one, right? I get the ball when it bounces off the rim.
They're like playing on a tennis court. Oh, have you seen the recent controversy on Twitter about nasty people? And I'm not going to be racist about a certain ethnicity. It tends to be doesn't wash their legs in the shower.
That's crazy because I heard about that, and then I observed Heather taking a shower. I was just like, on some creep shit. Like just crack the door and be like, yo, let me see if the bitch wash her legs. And I'm like, all right, cool, yeah, okay. Neck, underarms, face, titties, abdomen, legs. All right, boom, got him. Boom.
Okay.
I was very relieved because I was like, yo, if you don't wash your legs and your feet, man, we got to have a talk.
Well, some people on Twitter were saying they don't even shower every day.
That is fucking wild.
Like one chick was like, she showers once or twice a week.
That is nuts. That is nuts.
And then a certain Taylor Swift said that she washes her legs when she shaves her legs because shaving cream is like soap. Yeah, that's gonna get the. That's not how it works. That's not how it works, Ma.
That's not at all how it works. Nope. Shaving cream is actually just lubricant.
How do you not wash your legs? Like, how you just get to your belly button and be like, all right, we good?
Fam, when I see my shorty wash her legs, it's like, yo, you shave your legs, you wash your legs, and then you moisturize your legs. How the fuck is shaving cream soap, nigga? Like, do niggas shave and just like splash water in their face and go?
Like on sitcoms and shit.
Like, yo, niggas be shaving in the car. I'm like, no, I would never, my nigga. That's like, wow. No, you don't shave in the car, dog. What the fuck is wrong with you?
That's wild. The only time you shouldn't like wash your legs is like if you a nasty nigga and it's like summertime and you want to come through like in the basketball shorts, have your nuts smelling like Planters peanuts.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
honey roasted shit.
Yo, shorty, you like the salty joints?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
She was like,
sea salt.
Nigga, you was running a foal. I was like,
yeah. You lick my balls after I play ball, okay, y'all? Hear what I say, y'all?
Speaking of playing ball, shout out to the Bodega Boys.
That's right.
Another illustrious appearance.
You know what I'm saying?
The CC Sabathia's pitching charity.
Thank you.
Softball game.
Again, we were very humble.
Very humble. You know even though the game was rigged.
It was very rigged.
The whole system is rigged. That's why only like 16% of MLB players are black.
Yeah,
so we see what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to me. I almost got a single. You saw the hat fly off.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Very dramatic.
I was very upset that they changed the balls halfway through because they gave me that slick ball.
Yeah.
And that shit made me pop up foul.
Yeah, it was like a sponge ball.
Yeah.
It was like a sponge ball. Also, how did the other team just have like, I don't know, like the whole entire all-star of the American League at one point?
I'm like, yo, how y'all niggas got Mike Trout?
Okay.
How the fuck y'all niggas got Mike Trout, Manny Machado, and Bryce Harper, and the Yankees couldn't get them for real at any point in time?
My favorite is during like batting practice, Andrew Jones just like fucking hits it to the seats and laughs. He's like, oh, I guess I still got it. Yeah, you still got it, nigga.
You're a professional athlete.
My God.
We not. God damn it.
Do you see the difference? Like Like when we was swinging, it was like, damn, I hope to just make contact. And they were just like, no, I'm hitting the ball there.
I'm gonna hit the ball right there.
Them niggas was crushing the ball too.
Like, you see that little tiny 2-inch gap in between the fence? I'm gonna hit it right there. Watch.
Okay, shout out to Carlos Boozer, the guy.
You know what I'm saying?
Because who was it? I think Peckus was like, yo, can you play shortstop? He was like, yo, I could play any position. I was like, I like that energy.
Yeah,
I like that energy.
But yo, Team Straight Hand B, y'all niggas is some cheaters, B. Straight up. Yo, Mike. Just don't play yourself. You know you cheated, B. You have ringers, dog. You have ringers, dog. Everybody in your team was a professional athlete at some point.
It's not right.
Except for Derek Jeter's sister, and she picked some shit up off osmosis. As a matter of fact, that's wrong because she was on our team.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to
But I mean, I was moved by it. Shout out to, the charity thing. So now we're gonna do the Bodega Boys celebrity slapbox competition.
Yeah, that'll be lit.
We're having it in there's like a triangle on the top of Fordham Road.
Yep.
And we just come through and you slap box for charity.
That's it. Fordham Plaza, we pull up. You know what I'm saying? Slap box. You know what I'm saying?
You could wear those construction gloves.
Yep.
If you want with like the red paint on the hands.
The latex dip joints. Yep.
And you know what I'm saying? We're not gender biased. You know what I'm saying? You could slap a chick could slap you.
Yo.
It's whatever. It's whoever.
It's co-ed.
Matter of fact, you don't even have to wait for it to start. Slap somebody right now.
You know what I'm saying?
Go slap someone at your job.
Right now. Go.
You know what? I'm gonna tell you this. Like, yo, there's a lot of people at your job right now. You'll slap them in the face and they won't respond.
Straight up. Because
they might need the job or they pussy. So like, you gotta really look at your coworkers like food.
They all food.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
One day, just take someone's lunch to just establish dominance. Dare them to say something. Eat that shit right in front of them.
Yep. And leave the bag with the name on it on your shit. Very highly visible. You know what I'm saying? So, and leave your office door open so when they walk by and the fucking Ziploc says Jason on it.
Yep.
And you know damn well your name ain't Jason.
Nope.
You know what I'm saying? And he's sick because you ate his cottage cheese double, even though you don't even fuck with cottage cheese. That's just asserting dominance. Nigga. It's like jail. Nigga.
There you go. When he comes around asking,
prison.
Did you eat my food? You just let out a belch. Like, that shit was delicious.
That shit was mad good.
Matter of fact, bring that next week too.
Yeah.
You gotta treat it like jail.
You know
Work is like jail.
Yo, matter of fact, nigga, you bought in cranberry. Bring pineapple next week.
I want to taste all the flavors.
You know what I'm saying?
Woo!
I want one I nut that should taste good in shorty mouth. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, that's fair. That's true. I'm not gonna hit the problematic light on that. It's true.
I've been told that by many women.
We should make you know how they have like flavored cocktail shots? Mm-hmm. We need to make like flavored shots for like your semen.
For nut. Yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah. Like Nutcracker.
Nutcracker.
Yeah. Boom.
Wow.
There you go.
Just take the E out the R at the end.
Yeah.
Nutcracker.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Pow.
What flavors we got? We got hookah. Henny. Gunmetal.
Poverty.
Government cheese.
Pitbull dander.
Backwoods.
True.
New car scent. Coco Halado for the summer.
Yeah. Coco, mango, cherry. Fucking a stomped out Newport. That's on Southern Boulevard.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Real Bronx flavors.
Half a tropical fantasy that's actually full of piss.
Daddy, your gum tastes like a Yankee fitted. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm gonna hit the problem. That's nasty.
So straight up disgusting.
Not proud of that. Not proud of this podcast. Not proud of anything. You know, we've devolved into just
pouring into debauchery.
Yeah. This podcast is straight Sodom and Gomorrah.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy it.
Y'all always gonna look down on us and be like, nah, it's time to, these niggas gotta go.
Yeah.
That's from our...
I look at it like Jekyll and Hyde, because not that we have to clean it up for the show, but like we kind of have to.
Yeah, clean it up. Like somewhat.
Somewhat. Yeah. But this is just that nigga
raw. That straight. Like,
yo, fam.
This is actually, if you hit this straight, like you gotta cut this.
Yeah, you gotta cut this shit, bro. You can't.
This is Poppy give this to you and be like, yo,
Papi, let me tell you something, Papi. Look, I just got this from Colombia. Mm-hmm. Papi, I know Cody because I like you. You my nigga. You come through every time I give you consignment. You come through. Mm-hmm. So I know Cody. So listen, everybody tell them no 40, do 20. Wait 10 hours, then do 20. Okay, papi? Because, yo no te quiero matar, papi. You know what I'm saying? Because you gusty.
He's like, yo.
Right? So take
you
it easy.
Cut this, you're going to kill people.
You know what I'm saying?
You kill people. You try to kill people.
You try to kill people. You know what I'm saying? Throw a little fucking B12, a little ambisol in that bitch. You know what I'm saying, nigga? A little sheetrock.
They're like, why is this shit crunchy? Like, stays crunchy in milk. Cheerios.
Yeah, fam.
Honey Nut Cheerios.
Yeah. Honey Nut is bestios.
The fucking bee is like, yeah.
I got my mesothelioma.
Nigga nodding out next to the jar of honey. Like,
Celino bars in the new Honey Nut Cheerios mascot's like, yo, this nigga died from mesothelioma, so it's us.
I got mesothelioma from doing cereal ads. Celino and Barnes was able to get me a structured settlement, and I was back to living a somewhat normal life.
Yeah. Then I called JG Wentworth, and they fucked it all up.
All of it. Now I stay home and I watch TCI commercials.
Yo, shout out to all you niggas catching TCI commercials. Be do better.
the problem, if you catch a TV, you know you should do better, but like sometimes you want to do better, but sometimes your life ain't. That's not what that's not where your life is at that point.
That's not what's scheduled for you right now.
Listen, just ride that. Just ride that out. You know what I mean? You know, nobody wants to wake up and watch Maury every day, but you know, hey, someone got to do it.
Someone got to do it.
We salute y'all.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all y'all keeping us abreast of what's going on in Mary.
Keeping those running ass cameramen employed.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, running heavy cameras.
As we say in the hood, Murray. You know what I'm saying?
Murray.
Yo, you watching Murray?
Yo, you watching that Baby Daddy show? Oh.
Yo. We got a blunt on deck, bro? I feel like smoking a blunt. You got a blunt?
No, there's like a little piece of something there left, but no big blunts anymore. You know what? Because you don't want to get too schmiggity. Shout out to we got an Atlantic mention. You know what I mean? We got the new article in there, and they were talking about how this place smells like stale blunts.
Yeah,
and looks like a heroin den.
Yeah,
it's classy, baby.
You know what I'm
classy. Imagine if you like wrote some geopolitical paper about like the thesis of how the Ukrainian election was hacked. And then, but the week before that, a fucking feature about the Bodega Boys ran in it. You type like this magazine. What
the fuck is this shit?
What's this shit?
You bring this shit.
Desus and the kid Mero. What?
Who are these guys?
The brand is strong. What is this
shit? You bring it to the editor. The editor's just like,
shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
They popping.
Get out of here.
They popping. They talk too fast. We don't talk too fast. You listen too slow.
You think too slow, motherfucker.
Slow. You better hurry up, boy.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's that uptown shit. That uptown shit.
Yo,
you know what we got to bring back?
What?
Real hip hop.
Yeah,
hip hop.
Real hip hop. I know y'all niggas see her sitting down, standing out with our gods, the Wu-Tang Clan. You know what I'm saying? Wu-Tang. You know what I'm saying? And we're real Wu-Tang fans, so we knew all of them. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to these for not missing a single fucking beat when he hit him with the witty, unpredictable talent and natural game.
Wu-Tang.
You know what I'm saying?
Wu-Tang.
A lot of y'all niggas don't even know that.
A lot of y'all not really about this hip hop life shit. I have a life alert bracelet, and it says if anything happens to me, you flip it around, it says keep hip hop alive.
Keep hip hop alive.
Let me die. Keep hip hop alive. That's what I say.
You know what I'm saying?
It also says bury me in a Pele Pele and
That's
Yankee
right.
Fitted. Because you know what?
Right.
I need that shit, bro.
This man right here knows every rap name acronym in the world.
Yeah.
Memphis Bleak, hit him with it.
Making easy money, pimping hoes in style. Woo!
Woo! Pow! What?
Why isn't there a game show? Well, that's actually very niche.
Yeah, that's extremely niche.
You can't put that shit up against Price is Right. They'll be like, for $5,000, name all the members of the Fab Five. You see some white lady like, oh shit,
oh my god,
Strang Wonder,
Jalen Rose.
No, that's the wrong Fab Five. What was your song?
John Lennon,
LeFleur, Escocia, Strang,
Rock and Rock.
And who's the other two? Prodigy and Havoc.
Yeah.
Steve Harvey's like, Prodigy and Havoc.
Prodigy and Havoc. The niggas have the wild man pregnant pause like, yo, fam, like, are you gonna like follow up?
You gonna say something? Are you mad? Are you happy?
Like,
actually, didn't he lose that show? Didn't they just yank that show away from him?
Oh, they did?
Yeah, Steve Harvey, they pulling his shows away and shit.
Oh man, damn.
They feel like something about to come out.
They found the Pernille pictures?
Maybe. Do we get Steve Harvey off the paint like Kate Smith by showing his delicious looking chest? How they take? Oh, he still hosts 3 shows in Miss Universe. So
okay,
all right,
he's doing all right.
He's doing all right. He got money.
He got money.
He got money. He got money. Yeah. What's his net worth? What do you think? What are you thinking?
Well, I mean, you know, he's if he was Stephen Harvey, I would venture to say somewhere around $150 million. But seeing as he's you know, yeah, I'm gonna go with 52 million. Joan Hoboken, what do you got to say?
He's got a Mike. Mike, I hate to tell you you're wrong about something because you often are, but Steve Harvey's net worth is 160 million. So you were wrong.
I never said that. I never said that. I never said. What is the Steve Harvey system? I never said that. Okay. Okay.
Oh, that's such a good Mike Francesa. Such a good fucking Mike Francesa.
Shut the mic, yo. Shut the guy.
Because listen, like he says, the mic's on and we're ready to go. That's life advice. Think about it.
Has he unwoke himself since his woke moment?
He just flip flops. So if he woke himself and then he unwoke himself, the next thing he's gonna say is woke.
Is woke.
So,
okay.
Because he woke himself with the Kate Smith thing, then he unwoke himself with the kid that got shot by the Giants.
Yeah.
So now he's just gonna come out and be like, you know, we need to protect black women at all costs. So we're like, oh shit.
No doubt, Mike.
You know?
Okay.
He's like, our new segment, Mike's Black Chicks. You guys write in with your problems and I'll solve them.
All right. So Tanisha in Harlem, go ahead.
Hi, Mike. First time, long time. I'm looking for a place that can do my dreads. Do you have any loctricians for advice?
Listen, personally, I go to Silvio up in Pelham, but I feel like I can find the place for you in somewhere around Mount Vernon area. Mons, keep her on the line. We're going to help her out. We're all about helping the sisters today.
Woke Mike. He's the opposite of Lokisha.
Yo, that is so bad.
That Lokisha
oh my
shit.
God, that is so bad. It's 2019, dog.
My thing is like all the black people in that movie was like, nah, this shit is funny.
So, who's in that?
No one of like we know, but like they have like Mara Hall is like I don't know. These are like it's like like struggling actors, but just like actors, just like people.
Damn,
you feel bad.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
That's the dichotomy. It's like, yo, you want them to win, but you want it to win
the right way.
And I feel terrible saying the right way, but I'm just like, God, I'm like, yo,
this is the right way.
Get it how you live, nigga.
The right way. Don't flip the bat.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Run it out the first. Also, you should have seen the pain look on all the Dominicans yesterday, running out to first. What do you guys have against first base? What did first base do to the Dominican culture that you guys... Dominicans treat first base the way cats treat water.
Yo, like, it's because it's like, yo, if you just get on first base, it's like, yo, I failed. Like I should have hit a double or a triple or a home run.
Wow.
Or gotten an RBI.
That's some fucking backwards logic, but okay.
Just getting on base ain't enough.
Shout out to the unnamed Dominican baseball player who was there yesterday in street clothes. And when I asked him why he wasn't playing in the charity game, he was like, because they don't pay niggas. And I was like, you know what?
Yo, talk about, I'm going to put my flag up one time. He's Cuban.
Oh, he's Cuban? All right, well.
Yo, he said, and he was talking cash shit in Spanish in the dugout too. He's like, yo, this motherfucker's whack. This nigga's washed. This motherfucker can't hit. Who's this fat nigga? Yo, he was talking wild cash shit in the dugout. I was like, yo, man. I'm like, fam, you look at like 3 of these niggas speak Spanish, and one of them is me. Like, cause yo,
I was like, yo, they definitely chopping it up in Spanish because every now and then he would say something and people's eyes would be like, yo,
all
right,
fam. I woke up on them on some wild bodega shit, and they were just like, "Oh shit!" Like, "Oh, okay." I was like,
"Yeah, nigga,
they let you in here,
nigga. They all Spanish, nigga. They all Spanish." So it's like, why did Desus and Mero say that people are Spanish? People from Spain are Spanish. I was like,
"Nigga, we from the Bronx, bro. Like, yo, if you speak Spanish,
what are we supposed to say? People are What, Latino? That don't even sound right.
Yeah.
I sound like a census worker.
And also, if you say it like Latino, like it sounds like a white guy shit.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Look at my hot Latino hot Latina girlfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah, tonight we're gonna have burritos.
Pornhub, yeah.
And we're gonna have like role playing sex. She's gonna be a migrant, and I'm gonna have like the last gallon of water.
Yeah.
You're gonna be like, wow.
Making a hard left into porn, as we always do in this podcast.
What's that about?
Remember the Ava
We should-
Divine where she nutted, where mad people nutted on a tortilla and she ate it?
Yeah.
That was wild.
I mean, she was hungry.
It's been protein. She would have to take a protein shake after that.
You know what? There's not as much porn as there used to be in the world.
There isn't. There isn't. There's like series now. Like before,
Yeah.
it used to just be like, yo,
Just randoms.
random. Like you get a Pinot and it'd be like one scene from 89, one scene from 97.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Now it's just like, yeah, they're like, yo, you gotta subscribe to it. You gotta know niggas' backstories and shit.
You know what I'm saying? I'm like,
I'm just trying to jerk off, and I'm like, yo, why this little girl got a tutor? Who is this?
why is there so much setup?
I'm like,
fam.
She's a professor of what? Why would a professor come to your house at night? This
Yo.
isn't. Like, I'm like Googling shit. I'm like, what?
Also, Pinot guys, kill the music. Like the undressing part of the Pinot, like kill the music.
Nah,
Like,
people like that. The thing
fuck
is,
with that?
you don't make porno. You don't make a porno for people to like every part of it. Like people like different parts of it. So while you hate the undressing part, there's people who all they watch is the undressing part.
no, I mean just the music. The undressing part is
No,
cool.
some people like the music shit.
like the fucking like.
Okay, apparently it sounds like you're jerking off to Mission Impossible, so I can't help you, my dear.
That's what a Pinot on short is getting undressed. It's like happy birthday to you. I'm like, what the fuck is this, bro?
I mean, you catch the right. If you catch the right amateur porn, you can hear it through the walls because they shot that shit at the Sheridan. I was like, yo, is there a bar mitzvah going on in the background?
He's just here like the weather in Washington D.C. is 48 degrees.
Nothing. You know what I love? I'm a weirdo for this. Like, if it's like homemade Pinot and they got like the TV on in the back, I'll just like listen to what they're watching. I'll be like, oh shit. They'll be like, oh, these niggas shot this shit at 4 p.m. Oh wow. I'm like, I saw this episode of Judge Judy. This episode, like, she doesn't get the dog back.
Shit. Yeah.
I'm like, yo, you can't just turn the TV off.
Like, come on,
But I think that's more like, yo, niggas was just smashing and decided to record. It wasn't like set up ahead of time. Like niggas just reached over and grabbed the phone and were like, yeah, fuck it.
Fuck it, let's just do it. Yeah.
Like,
You got
lotion on this time, so we could do it.
We could do it.
Yeah, you
know
was
what I'm
looking
saying?
wild ashy last time.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? No, did you take a shower?
Nah.
Well, fuck it. Just,
Niggas go try to take a shower. Shit's bad awkward.
yeah, like, just fuck it. Just wash your dick in the sink. It'll be all right.
She's like, yo, I didn't know you was gonna come in here with the camera. Like, I would have cleaned up. It's like soap scum and shit on the fucking walls.
Shout out to all my niggas that ever washed their dick in shorty sink. You know what I'm saying? On an emergency tip, like
On the emergency
yo,
tip, just on the regular shit.
yo, I've been out all night type shit. Like, yo, I gotta go. I'm smashing at like 5 a.m.
Oh my god.
And I was just up in fucking La Marina, fucking grinding on Gwendolyn, who just moved into the neighborhood.
Nigga using her toothbrush on his foreskin. Nigga using Comet. Nigga got the big Brillo pad and shit on his nuts. Shit just hurting and shit like, yo, you all right in there? Like, yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
I'm in there with with her towel, like,
Yo, look for the most expensive product on her sink, like the fancier the name.
Yeah.
Just grab it and use it. Like the smaller the bottle, just squeeze all that shit out and just put that shit on your nuts.
She's like, nigga, why you this for like oil of Olay?
She's like, yo, did you use my retinol oil? That shit is like $90 an ounce.
Oh my god!
Your balls are all silky. She on Twitter mad as fuck subbing you and shit. She
Yo.
like, Twitter, I find it funny how men be using products they don't even know the cost of. And like,
Excuse me.
other people coming through like, no, that's right.
Word, sis. And then they post a picture of that meme of the guy ashing in the fucking makeup shit. Y'all couldn't find my ash brush, so I ashed in this.
Yo, use your girl's Fenty Beauty to put fake abs on your stomach this summer. Fuck with that working out shit. Because you saw Drake, right?
Yeah.
You seen Drake? Shout out to Drake, the
Yo.
wild thotty.
Yeah.
Back from
You know
Dr.
what I'm saying?
Miami.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
And that's what they said. They were like, yo, this nigga went to Dr. Miami here and work out. I was like, yo, listen, I haven't seen the nigga in a while. He could have worked out. He might have went to Dr. Miami. Listen, no body shaming.
Nah, if that nigga was working out like that, he would have posted mad gym selfies.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know that.
Yeah, yeah,
He been
yeah.
like workout
Gym
flow,
flow popping.
getting it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it was wild. Like, he's friends with LeBron. He could have just went with LeBron to work out a couple of times, got ripped. But then I thought about it. And I was like, nah, that nigga got money. Fuck that.
Fuck that. Also, you can't work out with LeBron.
Yeah.
Like, LeBron is like fucking standing on a balancing beam with like 2 fucking light poles and shit, like holding all 4 of his kids on his head.
That nigga doing a 100-meter dash holding the pit bull and shit. Like,
this shit is biting him. He's like, yeah. Get blood on daddy.
nigga pushing back on a bulldozer. Like,
yo, fam. I was like, I don't know if I can keep up with you, B.
Nothing worse than you work out with someone who goes stupid harder than you.
Oh, my God.
And then, like, you might think your workout was already intense, and, like, their first set is, like, way more intense than your whole workout.
Fam.
You like,
damn, fam. I went to work out with my mans one time who's, like super gym guy.
Mm-hmm.
And that shit turned me off to working out for years because, like, we walked in the gym.
Yeah.
And, like, it was a Planet Fitness. We walked in the gym.
It counts as a gym.
It counts as a gym.
It counts as a gym, even though it smells like pepperoni.
Even though it smells like pepperoni.
Even though they have pizza day and bagel day. They're just trying to keep you at Planet Fitness.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a vicious cycle. I went in there, this nigga, and I walked to the elliptical, and this nigga went to the weights, and he looked at me, he was like,
My nigga,
what the fuck are you doing? He's like, yo, that's where the bitches work out at. I was just like, oh, man. Yeah, exactly. Hit that light. I was like, yo, my man. I was like, I ain't even gonna say the nigga's name. I don't want to get him in trouble. But he's like, nigga, that's where the bitches work out. You stupid? He's like, yo, come over here and pull some iron, nigga. You wild pussy, nigga. Fuck out of here. I was like, wow.
you just said his name right there.
Bleep that. My nigga just came on.
I remember
This all makes perfect sense.
Oh my God.
He's like, yo, that's wild pussy, my nigga. Like, yo, for real? You dead ass, nigga? That's the Nordic track, nigga. You on the Nordic track?
Yo, I remember before Pat went to jail, shout out to Black Pat, like, he was like, yo, I'm going to jail, so nigga got to bulk up and get back and shit, because he was already big, but he had to, like, get, like, fucking ripped. Yeah. So he was like, yo, come work out with me, little nigga, and I was like, I don't really want to. I want to stay home and play. I want to play my Wii.
Pat was the type of nigga that you go to work at his crib, and he got the steel bar and the 2 cement.
You know it. We did the wild jail workout. He had like a bag of water. We was doing all that prison shit. Burpees.
2 60-pound bags of sand and shit. Niggas just running back and forth.
This nigga was doing like the 52 hand block shit. I was like, oh shit.
Oh no.
I was with it. He was like, yo, we just started. That was warm up. I was like, I gotta go. Because I'm gonna cry on the train. I was like, fuck that. Not working out is cool once you get into it, but when you first start, that shit is like the wild buzzkill.
It is literally like, it's the metaphorical, the best metaphor I can think of is a hill. It's like, yo, once you get going up that hill is dumb hard, nigga. Yeah. Once you get to the top of the hill, and it's downhill from there.
Yeah.
It becomes easier. Oh, so I've heard. You know what I'm saying? Because the only workout I do is rolling backwards.
There you go. That's a workout right there.
You know what I'm saying? Getting the little pieces off the edge and shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Rolling the shit perfect. You know what I mean? And then just the arm.
Then when you become like a fucking brain surgeon when it's not burning right, it's like, doctor, can you save it?
Can you save it?
They rush it in on a fucking gurney off the helicopter and shit. They're like, what happened? You got the clipboard. Give me the stats. They're like, it was backward. It was rolled at 206, but the bottom was wet, and now it's canoeing. It's canoeing. Can you save him?
Canoeing. It has a very big vein in the middle, and it's causing it to not roll correctly. What do we do?
It's me, you, and Jesse Williams at the table with shit.
Fam, there is no bigger defeat in life than not being able to save an L.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you try to put papers on this shit, and the shit just don't hit right.
Okay, you know what's even bigger? What's a bigger L, I guess? You ever be smoking and the wind just makes it burn so fast?
Oh yeah.
And you be like, you take 2 puffs and it's like, you're like, yo, is this fucking vertigo? Like, did Dano snap his fingers? Am I about to disappear?
Yeah.
Like, where'd my L go?
Shout out to my smokers. That's called the wind throwing 10 on the blunt.
Yeah. I got 10 on it.
I'm a smoke half your blood.
It's called the Devil Bogart. Yeah. You tell the Bronx kids about it. Like, listen, kids.
Listen.
If you don't stay in school, the devil will Bogart your boogie. Everyone's like, all the kids in Soundview Library like,
oh my God.
Then you got one kid in the back like, yo, fuck the devil, yo.
Fuck that nigga.
Yo, I'll fuck the devil up, yo.
I'll smack the shit out that nigga, yo.
Yo, let's get out of here. Let's go to the pizzeria. Last one there sucks wild dick.
Word up. That is the absolute #1 Bronx thing. Like, that's your L. Ain't no last one is a rotten egg. Last one, like, step on a crack, break your mother's back. None
Where
of
did that
that.
rotten egg shit come from? Because I didn't grow up hearing that shit.
I didn't. Nigga, I heard that shit on Beaver Cleaver, nigga. That's where I heard that shit.
Hey, suck on a rotten egg. Like, no, it was go suck your mother or go suck on a dick. Like, either or. I just really, looking back, it's like growing up in New York, like you was a fool. There was that meme and they were just like, yo, kids in New York go to school, but before they go to school, they get like a bagel and a coffee. Like these niggas is adults before they know it. It's true. Like a 9-year-old in New York is like a 20-year-old in Iowa.
Fam, that is a pure fact because in front of my junior high, there was a food truck that had coffee and bagels and like jelly rolls and all that type of shit. And you see mad 10-year-olds lined up.
Yeah.
Like they go to a construction site. Like,
Yeah, let me get a bagel with a smear of lox.
Yeah, let me get coffee, 1 cream, 2 sugars.
Hey, Jerome, you take it black? Yeah, 2 blacks.
2 blacks.
2 blacks and oh, you know what? I really shouldn't, but because the doctor says my cholesterol's up a little and these Flintstone vitamins ain't hitting. But let me get a bear claw.
Yeah, there you go, bear claw.
Right.
Nice, good choice.
You know what? That's gonna come in handy after nap time. Niggas just go to the cubby hole and take out a hard hat.
Take it off. Niggas start removing the asbestos in their own school and shit. Like, with a little mask on and shit. Like,
Got a bit of a baby cough. Baby cough. Yeah. I went to the doctor. He says I had mesothelioma, but he also said I was a cutie pie. Then he covers my eyes with his hands and he disappears.
Yeah,
to this day, I don't know where he went.
I don't know where he went.
Like, just disappeared.
He said some shit like peekaboo, and then I was just like, whoa, where did this guy go?
Whoa.
Oh, man, what's going on here?
I'm hearing rumors that even when I go to sleep, the world continues on, but I don't believe it. Baby carpenters.
Yeah. So, listen, we are Knicks fans. The Knicks got the 3rd pick. You already know that.
3rd pick, yes. We went, shout out to Showtime.
You know what I'm saying? We went
Our
there live.
illustrious show, Desus Mero. We went there. Shout out to Fat Joe
You know what I'm saying?
and Jadakiss.
You know what I'm saying?
We watched it. You can watch it online. You can watch us, our dizzying highs and our terrifying lows.
Yes.
It's like watching a live leak snuff film.
Yeah. Yeah. I spent a lot of time last night after the softball game watching RJ Barrett highlights and convincing myself that he is the next Michael Jordan slash
as Knicks fans
slash Scottie Pippen slash
as Knicks fans do, the same way we did with Amari Stoudemire after we didn't get LeBron.
Yep.
We saw how that ended up.
Yeah, and we forgot that Amari Stoudemire had to lay face down on a table for a fucking year because he scratched his eyeball.
Yeah, well,
And he also had knees made out of the rubber bands that they used to tie up supermarket flyers.
yes, he also lost a fair one to a fire extinguisher.
You know what I'm saying?
But you know, this is life. This is that Nick life that we live.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to that brief moment we allowed ourselves to have optimism.
Yeah.
That brief window. That we were gonna get Zion. That things were gonna turn around. Do we do it again with Katie? Do we allow ourselves to fly on Falcor through the never-ending story that is being a Knick fan?
Why not, man?
And she's like, say my name. And I'm like, Kevin Durant.
I mean, might as well. You know what I'm saying?
What do you lose? What do you lose? If it doesn't happen, you're just back to where you was. You were a Knick fan before.
Zero-sum game, bro.
Zero-sum game.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Zero-sum game. That sounds like a wild Sega Genesis game.
that sounds like a wild anime to me.
Yeah.
Like,
Zero-sum game.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Shing, shing, shing. Like, man, like, you know what I'm saying?
You got to get to the top of like some fucking skyscraper. Or like, but then when you get to the top, instead of like a battle, it's like the wild dialogue about financial regulations or some shit.
There's a wild cutscene and shit. Like some anime nigga turns around mad fast, like, whoosh, and pulls out money and shit. It's like capitalism.
Yeah.
You're like, oh,
He's
shit.
like, I'm not going to defeat you in the court. I'm not going to defeat you with a sword. I'm going to defeat you in the courts. And the whole second season is like him filing like allegations and motions against them. In court. It's like, 30-30 rule, come back. Court's adjourned for 2 months.
Yeah. I'm a sovereign citizen.
2 months later.
I wish niggas did court shows like how court really happens.
Law and Order would be 5 hours long. It would be 5 hours long because it'd just be an hour. Then wait. We just been waiting in the gallery for 4 hours.
What's going on?
When they gonna call our case?
Yo, why are these niggas whispering for literally? They've been whispering for 30 minutes.
And when they call the case, you know how like the cops like to come in with new evidence, like, Your Honor, I got new evidence. They be like, you have to enter that for discovery. There's rules and shit.
You can't just run up in here with a gun.
What is that? Like,
you can't run up in here with a gun in the Ziploc, nigga.
She's not on the list for being witnesses. Like, she can't even like talk in court.
Sir, you're ludicrous.
Luda.
You're not a member of law enforcement.
The court calls to the stand. Luda. You go by Luda or Chris Bridges. Okay.
You got to put that Chris Bridges in parentheses in the middle. Put some respect on the name.
Your Honor, I would like to have Ludacris stricken from the record because he had the lyric, and I quote, my girl marches down the street like a Macy's parade.
That's
boom,
right.
boom, balloons or something to that extent.
Yes.
That's an egregious use of hip hop. Let's get him out of here.
It was a very disrespectful moment in hip hop.
He also used Marshawn Lynch in a video that it was unnecessary.
Yes.
It was unnecessary.
He also humiliated a little person by spray painting them gold and hanging them from a chain.
I believe that was who was it?
Stand up! It feels like a midget is hanging from my necklace.
I mean, that was cool at the time.
It was cool at the time.
At the time.
Right now we gotta hit the problematic light.
Gotta hit the problematic light
because they're little people.
I guess this is this podcast gonna be like wild problematic in like I would say 20 years. Well, now I mean like super problematic in 20 years.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
this is gonna be like Eddie Murphy Raw. Even though we're self-containing and self-censoring and doing all this shit and acknowledging with the problematic light and doing all that, that's gonna be like it don't matter.
Yeah,
they said it.
But you know what? In 20 years, like the term mixed kids is gonna be like kids who are half human, half robot.
Exactly.
So it's gonna be totally different.
Jokes on you, asshole.
You listen to those guys, they're robot phobic. That shit is wild.
Oh, you trying to get us out the paint?
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
You know what I'm saying?
Like all our fans are gonna be wild old and they're gonna sneak into the basement when their grandkids come over and smoke a robot doobie and listen to this on an old MP3 player.
I remember those days.
This is good comedy.
Yeah, this is when it was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone get Grandpa. Tell him we going to Hyber Fordham Road again.
I don't want to go there.
We gotta get you a new fucking floating scooter, stupid.
You want me to die?
Come on.
It makes me depressed. I miss the old neighborhood.
Come on, we could go.
I miss the old neighborhood.
We could pass the new Yankee Stadium where all the players are female.
Oh no! Oh my God! They women. Oh no! They can't be like this. Oh my God! The women playing baseball. No, and they. Wait a minute. The women they dominate?
No, they're not.
Oh my God! No, they cannot do this. Oh my God! Wait a minute. The women they Puerto Rican?
They're mostly like from the Midwest.
They're white people?
See.
Oh my God! No, this cannot be like this. No white people playing baseball. No, my God.
Dominican Black Mirror. Oh, it's scary. It's a scary sight. Spooky. Now picture for the Yankees. Gwendolyn Adams. They're like, boo.
Get her out of here.
Boo.
Boo, get her out of here. She got a fucking 11.83 ERA in 2 games. In 80 games, fucking 12.85 ERA.
Listen, I think of all the fan bases, the Yankee fan base would probably be the last fan base to accept female players.
Oh, absolutely.
I can see him.
Absolutely.
Get this broad the fuck out of here.
Hey, what the fuck is going on? Hey, we came to watch baseball, not broad ball.
Hey.
Get the fuck out of here.
Hey. If you can't throw it over the plate, go home and put it on the plate.
Hey, asshole. Call Rosie O'Donnell. Get a fucking league of your own.
Just don't be. Why do we have the slurs on deck? What does that say about us? We're just waiting.
We're quick on our feet. you can read about it in the Atlantic.
You know, people call it a Mike Francesa, like, yeah, Mike, you think she was on the rag, and that's why she couldn't throw it over the plate.
You know what I mean?
They lose a lot of blood on those days.
Yeah, you got to be weak. If you're losing so much blood out of your your vagine, come on. If you got the gabagool down there and it's a little, you got a little marinara coming out of your gabagool, it's gonna affect your level of play.
But that would be weird because, like, if the way things are set up, I think if they did have female players and it was like Dominican players, like their jerseys would be cut way differently. Than,
nigga, what? They would be fishnet jerseys.
They look like anime people. And shit.
Nigga,
they got Fashion Nova uniforms.
Yo, facts. I was about to say, like, yo, fuck Majestic. Them niggas is going with Fashion Nova uniforms all day.
Oh shit.
Like, yo, I love my pretty little thing.
They're like, how is this supposed to run in high heels?
Don't worry about it, nigga.
This got like Manolo Blahniks with cleats on the bottom.
Oh my God, the Yesenia goes in, spikes up.
Oh wow, you hate to see it.
You hate to see it. Oh my
Hate to
God.
see it.
And the Louboutins are scuffed. Yo. Yeah, son. Shout out to all our women listeners. You know what I'm saying? I'm spelling women with a Y.
Why?
You know what I'm saying? Because a woman is her own entity. You know what I'm saying? She's not part of men. You know what I'm saying? We're different people. You know what I'm saying? And women deserve the love and respect from us as underlings.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right. So when you see your woman tonight, you rub some cocoa butter on her stomach.
That's right.
Don't even wait for her to go home. Go to her job right now.
Right now.
Walk up to her and rub some cocoa butter on her stomach. I don't care if she in the middle of a meeting.
Don't matter.
She in the middle of a PowerPoint.
Yo, she got the clicker in her hand.
Yo,
nigga, roll that blouse
security
up.
try to stop you. Get off me. I'm going to see my
Stop.
queen.
That's my queen.
I'm going to see my queen.
That's my queen. Stop. Stop. You're not stopping me from rubbing cocoa oil on my queen.
They don't want us to moisturize.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Also, for her lunch break, I will be doing her feet with this hibiscus oil scrub. So y'all niggas better clear the break room the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? Stop fucking playing with me. Fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga shot in front of your boo's workplace just holding the cocoa butter.
Is that bare minimum?
Is that what?
Is that bare minimum? Like exfoliating shorty's feet once in a while?
Yeah.
What's the maximum? Like, what's the maximum?
The maximum a guy could do for a girl?
Yeah.
I don't know. Like,
Dies back there smiling like a motherfucker. Like, oh, I'll tell you, motherfucker.
the maximum a guy could, I guess, just be with her forever until y'all both die and like not shit on her. I guess
that's true. I feel like Diana and Victoria would have very differing opinions.
I mean, you could do like money maximum, but then it's just like, you know, if you allow them to like sound to like vent to you and you just there to support them and all that shit, like that counts a lot more. Any asshole could fly you to like Paris and
that's
shit.
True. That's true. I've been told that many times.
It's 2010 Victor could not, just for the record, fly you to Paris. No.
But then even then, like think about the women you were dealing with in 2010. Like they know that you would not be able to fly them to Paris. So if you did, it would seem very weird. Then it'd be like, are you selling drugs, my nigga?
Yeah. What are you doing with your life? What are you doing behind the scenes?
And it's also like, like the women you're dealing with in 2010, they probably should not have fly me to Paris expectations. Not saying people shouldn't have high expectations, but you gotta know your reality, ma.
Shoot for the moon, queen. Shoot for the moon, queen.
You know,
you will land amongst the stars.
Okay, some of y'all want fly me to Paris, but you don't have fly me to Paris lodge. You got like, yo, ride with me on the Greyhound to Ithaca.
I got Uber you to Mama Sushi.
Yo, I know a nice bed and breakfast in Patterson. What's up?
You know what I'm saying? What's
going on? You know what I'm saying?
You feel me?
You know, it's the only bed and breakfast where you get a gun at your continental breakfast and shit.
Hey, listen, ma, I got a voucher for Atlantic City.
What's
you know what
up?
I'm saying? What's popping?
It's like, what?
Hey, you know what I'm
But it's one of those casinos when you walk in, it's like mad old people with the oxygen mask. They're looking at you like,
This could be you.
This could be you. one
Spend your
day.
money wisely.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the 6 o'clock back bus.
Yeah.
We got a free voucher for the buffet.
Yeah, they give us a free black coffee and fillet of fish and also Velcro shoes.
oh, scary.
Shout out to my old heads wearing Velcro shoes, be like that shit. That's like official, like yo.
Yeah, because you can't. You got arthritis. You can't be like lacing shit up. But also, it's like you know your time is important now because your time is limited.
Yeah.
Time is running out. You don't got time to be lacing shit up in the
Lacing
morning.
shoes?
Then it's just rip.
You start calculating like, yo, how much time do I waste tying my shoes every day? Bro?
Why aren't Velcro shoes socially acceptable? Because when we see people with Velcro shoes, you're like, oh, I gotta keep my eye on you. You might be a fall risk.
You might be a full risk. You might be a felon. You might be, you know what I'm saying, something else.
That's wild how society does not trust people with laces. Like that's the first thing they take away from you in jail.
Yeah, nigga.
Like, and it's like because you could use it against other people, but you could use it on yourself. And I'm like, yo, so give me the shot. Like, fuck it.
Respect my agency. Nigga.
Let everyone keep their laces. If he got laces and I got laces, nigga, we even.
What the fuck?
Yo. Now I gotta take out my laces. I'm like, these are limited edition off-white laces. So who's gonna hold them? This cop right here?
Him? Are you sure?
You fold them very nicely. He's like, yeah, I got them.
You mean fucking laces?
He's writing on the intake report, shoelaces. I was like, no. Okay, Virgil made those?
Yeah.
So could you write Virgil Off-White season 09?
Yeah.
Thanks.
These are not just regular laces. I know they say shoelaces on them in quotes, but no, they're not regular.
Matter of fact, if you just pass the pad here, I got the cuffs on.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
You mind taking them off for a second?
He's like, yeah. Me and take this pair of sneakers. I was like, ooh, yeah, these are the breads. Wow. Yeah, pass me my phone. I'll bring up the StockX app and I'll show you the value. So why you'd have to write the full name, like. Can I talk to like a manager or something?
Yeah.
Well, what is he? A lieutenant?
Yeah. A colonel?
Someone with the white shirts. The white shirts, I feel like they're more popping.
Yeah. They don't get dirty.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's why they wear the white shirt. Because in the office all day telling you what to do.
Meanwhile, it's like two cops over a Tandy computer like, shoes. Hold on, it's buffering.
Let me see here. Hold on a second.
Nothing is slower than the computers at every precinct.
Yo, the computers at every precinct.
Them niggas is running 486s, dog. Like...
Yo. Them niggas is still typing C:/shoes .exe.
They put it into the 5 1/4 inch disc and like just hear the shit like. They're like, yeah, this floppy holds all the state's inmate records. Hold on, I'm gonna do a Boolean search. It's gonna take 2 hours.
Give me a second here. What's it says here your name is Daniel Baker. All right, let me look that up in the system. Daniel Baker.
They're typing and using the T9.
He's like
D A B C E F. I fucked up. Gotta go all the way back.
Oh, hold on. We got 508,000 results.
All right, let's go. Start at the like Mobb Deep says. Let's start at the beginning, at the top of the list. Okay,
but you gotta be here for a while.
All right. You ever lived in Asbury Park?
Huh?
No. Okay, that's not you. Let's move on.
Let's X that one out.
You ever lived in Arthur Kills Staten Island? No.
No.
Okay, next one.
All right. Okay.
You ever lived in Ann Arbor, Michigan?
Nah.
Oh yeah, it's a white guy. Why would I even ask that? Okay, next. You're looking like, damn, this thing can go through 3,000 records.
The pit when you pull it up, the picture is right there.
Whoa. Like, your last name's Baker, not Sipowicz. So why the fuck are you telling me how to do a cop job?
I mean, I'm just saying.
You know what? Let me tighten those cuffs again.
I mean, like similar to Sipowicz, you showing your ass right now. The photos right there.
You know what? Why don't everybody go outside for a cigar break and just turn off the lights? I got to look something up in the phone book.
Wow. Really?
Let me ask you something. You like oranges? We got a big bag of them right here. I'm about to beat your Dominican ass over here.
I mean, no.
Listen, as the governor of the Dominican Republic would say, "Wepa." Start hitting you with mad on.
That's cool. Please don't hit
They
me.
come back in a holding smell with mad pulp on you. This nigga smell like orange juice.
Yo, this nigga's pussy.
Yo,
that's the response to every bookings, every jail cell, no matter what happens. Yo, this nigga's wild pussy. It don't matter. Yo, this nigga's reading books. Yo, this nigga's wild pussy. Yo, this nigga got a kufi on. Yo, this nigga's wild pussy.
You're just looking at your papers like, I can't believe these charts. Oh, this nigga can read.
Yo, this nigga's wild pussy. Whoa.
What's the correlation? Oh, this nigga using SAT words.
Oh,
you just hear niggas in other cell like a chorus like pussy. For our new Broadway plays called Bookings. In the bookings.
Where you get some onion soups.
My day started wild. I got arrested by the cops because I hopped the turnstile because I was late for Megan's wedding. What a wacky start to a Friday.
Oh my God.
Surely I'll be out by 2:00. Da-doo-da. And you just had the old black man like, he would not be out.
72 hours, sign was a February.
Excuse me, officer. I've been sitting here 5 hours. When do I talk to my lawyer? Check out this guy. He thinks he sees his lawyer. You're not going to see your lawyer until Sunday at best, pal.
Say, in the words of Big Time Tommy, why don't you sit on the bench and take it easy?
Tell him what it is.
That's a good one, Joe.
Oh, wow. I can't be in jail with a couple of wisecrackers like this.
Oh, my God.
No, let me try to remember Megan's number. 1-877 cars for. Oh, God. Oh, gee, Willikers. I'm locked up. I can't even remember a phone number. Gosh darn it, I'll never make it in the penitentiary. Who can we get to play this guy? Because I want to see the shit out of this.
Who's like a Herbie? The dude from Road Trip? That was like the Wild Herb?
Oh, you said from Road Trip. I don't think he's still alive.
Is he still alive?
Yeah, he died.
He died?
Yeah, he was cooking meth and that shit exploded.
Damn.
No, I'm lying.
That sounds accurate, though. I ain't even gonna hold you.
Road Trip was 2000. Wow, that was a long time ago.
What about Tweak from Basketball?
True.
Yeah.
Shout out to Tweak.
That's like literally 25 years later. Though.
Well, why don't you people name people from this like decade?
Oh, like Herbie, people from this decade?
We could get Anzu Angor to do it. No, there you go.
Oh, shout out to him.
He likes a good check.
Yeah.
Who else will do anything and we could just get them to do it?
Dustin Diamond.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, he killed somebody.
Oh,
Again, that's not from this decade. Come on. Think this decade.
He caught a body.
He caught a body with like a sword.
He caught a body.
What about think about it. We get the
Bill Simmons?
you know what? Oh no, that guy from Road Trip, his name is DJ Qualls.
Qualls.
He's a DJ now. No, he just goes by DJ Qual.
Niggas double dipping. He's like, yeah, my name is DJ Qualls, but I'm also DJ Qualls.
I'll show up.
I'm saying,
Y'all provide turntables and vinyl. I'll be there.
2 turntables and a mic. That's all I need.
That's what Beck said.
One dope MC on the set.
Ironically, Beck's never reached out to Beck. So like,
that's wild.
It's right to the synergy.
That was such a.
That's like you could come up with that hungover.
Like
what are y'all doing?
Off Beck's.
All right,
that could be doing a commercial.
There's somebody in the ad agency right now, and they're really good at making decks, and they like Wu-Tang Clan, and they like to call themselves Inspector Decks.
Yeah.
If you're doing that, stop it right now.
Stop right now.
Stop it right now.
Take the little fucking exactly.
Okay.
Take the fucking little sign that you fucking made at the
with the
Xerox
Wu-Tang
machine.
sign.
Yo,
you're entering Inspector Deck's office.
Yo, I PowerPoint atomically. Turn that shit the fuck down.
Actually, you know, if you came up with that, it's kind of witty. I don't want to like fucking shit on your parade. Yeah. You know, that's the one thing that makes you happy. They're bringing out all their Wu-Tang symbols. No, if that's what makes you happy, make it. That's cool.
You know what?
I used to have a little Paula Abdul picture up in my cubicle.
I respect that. You know what I'm saying? But that actually makes sense. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But
because remember when she was married to Charlemagne? Like I was respecting that.
Yeah.
So that's right. Charlemagne was married to Paula Abdul. Do not allow him to lie about it.
That's right.
Okay,
it's a fact. You know what I'm saying? We were at the wedding. Mm-hmm. We held the chuppah.
Shit was
lit.
What
I'm saying? It was a Jewish wedding.
Shit was lit.
It was wild.
Because Charlemagne's Jewish.
That's right.
That's right. Charlemagne. Duh.
There you go. Hello. Okay. A lot of y'all know his last name is Goldberg.
Yeah, Charlemagne Goldberg.
You know what I mean?
Is it the god Goldberg?
He spells Charlemagne the god, but then he puts a little dash in between instead of
respectfully.
The O. Respectfully. You know what I'm saying?
You know? It's the little things. It's the little things, you know? He's a good guy. He's a good Jew.
But yeah, if you fucking got the Inspector Deck fucking shit up on your thing, this is way nicer than you. Because for me,
you know, you're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
It's kind of funny. Now I think about it, it's like, all right, it's growing on me. We are turning into old immigrants. Like anything that brings people joy.
We're like, fuck that shit.
Like, yeah.
That shit's trash.
The only thing you're allowed to like is stuff we like. I have become my father.
Yeah. Go home and listen to Roy Ayers' Ubiquity.
Okay. But I like the xylophones.
Everybody loves the sunshine. Bees and things and flowers. Yo, yes, you know them niggas is doing drugs back then, boy. God. That song like 7 minutes long, and this is just like, and bees and things and flowers.
Yo, I have a Sonos sound system. And the West Indian to me, like now, I just want to spend my day going through the garbage. I find the receivers and building a stereo system from scratch, like my father did when he came here from Jamaica. Just have a tuner from like Panasonic, a fucking AM FM shit from just like Sony, just 2 speakers that don't even match.
No,
maybe drill a hole through a wall with a wild copper speaker wire. Don't even try to hide the shit. Just staple it to the wall. You see it. Have the speakers like Zone A, Zone B. Just play Mad Patsy Cline on a Sunday while I go over the heating oil bill.
See, look,
just yell at my kids in June about how much oil they used in February.
This is such a great example of immigrant children stories, because my fucking dad did the same fucking shit.
Every dad does.
And the fucking stereo system, I was like, nigga, that shit looked like Voltron.
First of all, turning on the stereo system was like launching a space shuttle.
Like, yo.
I'm like, I pressed the power button. He's like,
which one?
You guys do. True. You're just fiddling with it all day, like.
Oh no!
And don't let him try to use it after you touched it. Who touched my stereo?
This is my fucking stereo.
I'm like, and then my mother have to protect us and shit. She's like, you sure one of them touched it? I know. I'm like, ain't no one touching that shit, dog.
You does that shit for Prince, nigga? Damn.
That shit's like turning on a nuclear reactor and shit. You turn on the wrong thing, like the wild.
You get wild feedback somehow. For some reason, there's a mic attached to this shit. I'm like, nigga, are you a DJ? Like, why is there a microphone attached to this shit?
Oh my god! I remember one time my father was like, "You blew out the vacuum tube." I was like, "Your shit still got vacuum tubes, my nigga?"
I was like, I don't even know what a vacuum
He was like,
tube is.
"It's a warmer sound."
Yeah.
I was like, but my father loved Patsy Cline and he played it all the time. My mother was like, yo, are you going through something? Do you guys know what Patsy Cline sounds like?
It's straight country, bro.
Yo, like
the countryest country.
It's like this shit.
It's like kill yourself country.
Imagine you come into a basement, your husband's playing this shit. Like, nigga, you cheating on me with someone from Mad Men?
Like, what is going on? Just
come on, bro.
like you're half expecting to like just see him from behind in the love seat, and then you go around and he got the spike in his arm. He's just like,
not like
just done.
I'm a cloud. I'm Kirby from Super Mario Brothers.
I'm gonna swallow you later.
Someone put on the Tanuki suit. That's the new term for doing heroin. Putting on the Tanuki suit.
Yo, you put on the Tanuki suit.
New slang.
New slang.
Michael Anthony. Michael Anthony, please don't tell me you're down there playing with the turtles and putting on the Tanuki suit.
Yeah, I'm putting on a fucking Tanuki suit, you bitch.
Nigga, put the needle in his arm. You hear mad one-up noises.
Yeah. I turn to stone when you don't look at me. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the frog suit.
Nigga, you know how you get the star? You like all charged up into the music. He's all charged up like that, but he's still nodded out. But he's like,
yeah, shit.
He's like, yeah, I'm speedballing, bro.
Nigga jump and hit the flag all the way to the top. Nigga like, yo.
Nigga just jump and punch up to try to get a mushroom and just fucking destroy the basement. Michael Anthony, that's a retaining wall.
Stop.
He's like, Mom, I'm stomping on turtles. There's no turtles.
There's no turtles at all.
No turtles was ever.
He's like, Mom, stepping on Goombas. Don't you talk about our people like that.
Nigga,
That's a wrong. That's a slur.
nigga,
Michael.
Nigga hop on top of Big Tom Tommy. He thinks Big Tom Tommy is browser. Hey, it's Big Tom Tommy.
Yeah.
He's burning him with a cigar.
Hey, here, I'm gonna burn your nipples off, you fucking little fanook.
We should do a remake of Super Mario Brothers, but Mario's in the mafia.
Mario's in the mafia.
So he's just like shooting all the mushrooms and shit.
Yo, word.
They're like, it's me, Luigi. Yeah, it's me, Luigi. Where the fuck?
what's poppin'?
You owe me some money on that fucking vig.
Yeah, they call me Long Barrel Luigi.
What's
nigga.
up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
All right?
Yeah.
Listen, my
yeah.
Blue Turtle show make them heads ring. What's
Yeah,
up?
know what I mean, nigga?
Don't make me call my brother.
Yo, matter of fact, yo, son. Where my coins at, nigga? Keep hitting that block till all my coins is out.
Nigga, you know what the nigga's like? Sorry, Mario, but the princess is in the other car. Nigga put the gun to her head like, yo,
fam.
where's the broad at?
Nigga just hold up a little fireball with the fire flower. Like, nigga, what? The fuck you say? The fuck you say?
Nigga, I want to throw this fire at you so hard.
Ooh,
my dick is
oh
hard.
my
Yo,
God,
yo, you
nigga.
tell your man Bowser, if that bitch ain't back in the castle,
You know what I'm saying?
I'll burn this bitch down.
I'll
yo.
burn this whole shit down, nigga.
Even the waterboard.
Fuck that.
Everybody.
Nigga, I jump right over that nigga, stepping on a little axe, and then nigga fall right in the
Right,
lava.
ask the first turtle. You seen what I did to him? You know
what I'm saying?
Nigga wearing the turtle helmet.
Yeah.
Turtle shell was a helmet.
That's right. That
Let
nigga
them know.
Yeah, that nigga shell still bouncing on level 1-1.
Super Mario Brothers. The Goombas are back.
Goombas are back.
And when that Nintendo's like, that's kind of dark, and we like to be family friendly and shit.
Yeah, I'm like, nah, fuck that nigga. We gotta use the Labo for something.
Nigga driving on the back of Yoshi for a drive by.
Yo, she's taking his tongue out as a Draco instead of a tongue. It's like,
yeah, give me all them coins. Give me all them coins.
yeah.
Nigga don't collect them. Nigga come in the room with the gun and like, yo, put all the coins in the bag.
Close in the fucking bag. Stop fucking playing with me, nigga.
Nigga drag like a fucking Goomba from another board and throw him in there. Like, bag that shit up.
Bag shit up, nigga. You butt naked already, so bag it.
Bag that shit up. I'm gonna keep checking this pipe. Make sure no one comes up that shit. Dark Super Mario Brothers.
Super Mario.
There's like a whole board of cocaine and shit.
Martin Scorsese is jerking off right now listening to this.
I love it.
He's like, I love it. Can I use the
love it.
N-word in it?
Oh, that's what they're called. Yeah, you don't know the name of Bullet Bill.
Yo.
Oh,
You know what I'm
boy.
saying? We don't even start in this shit. We just play the Hammer Brothers.
Yeah. The Hammer Brothers was... Okay, first of all, the Hammer Brothers, let's respect them. They were fashion icons.
Word.
They were early into kink culture.
Word.
Okay?
Yup.
Okay.
The BDSM shit on lock.
First people of color to be out there wearing spikes and leather like that. You know
what I'm saying?
All right, they would do the erasure of them in the gay community is ridiculous, but
That's right.
You know, shout out to them. They were queer legends.
That's
people
right.
of color. Hammer Brothers.
Yo.
Were they black? They were green, but they was out there. They got they're
black. They just light skin.
Yeah, they kept them hammers on them.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay,
that was a fucking plan.
They kept them hammers on them
on deck.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying?
And we ain't talking about Tim Allen. We talk about Tool Time. You know what I mean?
The real shit.
Is that like a Graph lyric? Oh, it sounds like it.
My name Graph, y'all. Boom.
Shout the Graph.
Shout the Graph, yo. You know
he
what I'm
fucks
saying?
with brand.
Show mad love, yo. Shout the Queens, you know what I mean? Shout the Black Hand.
Yeah, shout out to Victor the Legend for defending Queens Center Mall last week. Everyone from Queens, everyone at Queens was like, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, he defends the home turf.
You know what I'm
it
saying?
turns out Queens Center World does have an Apple store.
They do.
Been verified.
They do.
They do.
You know what I'm saying? We try to slander the mall, and this nigga was like,
"Stupid! I'm not gonna let you get the chance."
That's
You know what I'm
right.
saying?
Not on my watch.
Okay.
Not on my watch.
Shout out to the Chinese store on Gaillard Brewer. Which
You know
one?
what I mean?
All of them.
All of them.
All of them.
Shout the Flushing Mall, which is there's not a single word in English, but fuck it, nigga, I'm gonna make my way through this shit.
You
Nah,
be
bro,
in
they
it.
got the wild Nike factory store out there.
Oh, they do? Oh.
Yeah.
Nigga, let me tell you how long ago it is that I went there. I went there when the Mets played at Shea Stadium. That's how long it was.
It's
And
forever
back
Shea,
then,
though. If you're from Queens, it's forever Shea.
It's forever Shea. It's always gonna be Shea.
yeah.
Like something feels off about saying City Field.
Yeah.
You know?
I don't like the corporate. Yo, listen, can I be the old stodgy?
Hey, go for it, bruh.
Yeah,
Do it old school.
Yeah. Listen, Joe from Staten Island here. I don't really like the naming rights of the stadiums. I feel like if you're the Yankees, you should play Yankee Stadium.
Yes.
If you're the Mets, you should play at Shea Stadium. You know what I mean? I don't know about all this fucking Tampax Center. You know what I mean? The thing they do with the broads in the WNBA and all that stuff. But Mike, you know what? I appreciate you talking about the rape thing, but what about the Mets? You know what I mean? What about the Mets thing there? Because I got a daughter, you know what I mean? She lives in New York, and there's a lot of Moulignans out there. I fear for her sometimes. I'm gonna hang up and listen.
Okay. For context, he's quoting an actual phone call that my friend sister got. I don't know why he chose to quote it, but he did. So,
Yo, please go listen. Yo, if you're not following back after this, please do.
yeah, this is a great Twitter account.
You know what I'm
They cut out all the fat and give you the good crab
Good,
meat.
yeah, that good
of,
crap. You know what I'm saying?
I said crab meat, not crack.
Okay.
Saying things that are crack is problematic.
Okay, that's
Okay, if you're like, oh, these cookies are crack, it's like, you know what else is crack?
Crack.
The drug that killed my auntie. So you don't want to, you don't want that kind of thing. You know what I mean? Like you gotta think about yourself when you think. I think wasn't that like a public service announcement? or something?
It definitely was. It sounds 100% like it. Yeah.
Was that a song like Respect was a song on the radio? Like that sounds kind of annoying.
Imagine?
Yeah.
You turn on radio
Every hour, it was like, R-E-S-P-E-C. It was like,
that's how I want to be.
it's like, all right,
It's like,
okay.
Rest in peace to the legend Aretha Franklin.
Yes.
But yo, I mean, like.
But at one point, Don't Worry, Be Happy was the #1 song in the country.
Wow.
Every time you turned on your radio, it was
I
like,
will kill myself.
don't worry, be happy now. What's Bobby McFerrin doing now? He might be still dropping mixtapes. We don't even know.
We don't even know. Didn't he get in trouble and shit? Because he was like, yo, he was on some like respectability politics shit? Or is that Harry Belafonte?
Yeah, probably Harry Belafonte.
Yeah.
Barry McFarlane.
It's like, pull up your pants, black guys.
Oh, he's worth $4 million? You know what? But I'm sure he's happy with it because he don't wear shoes and shit.
Didn't he do Baby Beluga too? Was that
No,
somebody
that's
else?
Rafi. You put some respect on.
Oh, shout to
Rafi, the God's name.
Shout to Rafi.
Okay.
Eating off that Baby Beluga. He probably eating beluga caviar off that Baby Beluga song, ironically.
Probably.
I don't even know if I use ironically in the right context, but I don't give a fuck, nigga.
What else has he been up to?
Rafi?
No, Bobby McFerrin.
Bobby McFerrin?
One of his kids is in Hamilton. Hey,
Oh, shit,
shout out.
okay.
All right. And
All right.
his kids is like singing and shit.
Oh, shit. Shout out to them.
And they still use that song in everything. So he's getting them checks. Okay. Woof. That's all we need. We got to get them to do Victoria's Bodega Boy drop and like one of those cartoons and shit.
Yo, shout out to the dude that says that Victoria sounds like she subsists on Marlboro Ultralights and coffee.
Which is correct.
It's very accurate.
Literally, if you pour iced coffee in a petri dish and put a Marlboro Light in there,
It'll turn into Victoria.
you get a Victoria. You can grow Victoria.
It's like a Hatchimal. Just put me in iced coffee with some with some rollies.
Oh wow.
As she sips on the iced coffee. Yeah. It's done. Don't look at me, look at her.
Show you the god over here. Iced
Marlboro
coffee.
hat on, bro.
Oh wow. Oh man.
Yo, she got the 27 rings Marlboro hat, nigga. Like the
official one.
The official, like yo,
The official.
Like yo, you smoke mad cowboy killers,
Yo.
nigga. Yo, this is your crown, my queen.
Yo. I used to be the hottest girl in Scanlon. Yo, I got finger popped during all 4 of the Yankees 90s run. Yo, I had sex with what's his name? Jason Giambi.
Yeah, the Jambino.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not gonna embarrass my fucking homeboy, but this nigga really used to collect Newport points, bro. And get Newport shit. Remember that?
I remember Newport points.
How did one do that?
Because every time you smoked a pack, you got points off of it.
Like a box
Like
top?
a
Yeah,
like
and they
a
had a
cute-
catalog and shit. You could
Fam.
get like a bomber jacket.
My nigga, yo,
you could get like hats and
son,
shit. I don't know.
On God, on my kids, on everything. This nigga had, you know the gallon Ziploc freezer bags?
Yeah.
This nigga had like 6 of them shits, bro, full of Newport
Newport
points.
points,
What'd he
yeah.
cop?
He caught mad jackets. I was like,
I'm
yo,
saying that's
wow.
tough. Yo, I'll tell you right now, Jeff Gordon was way ahead of his time. Rainbow Warrior, that
Yeah,
DuPont Rainbow
the DuPont
joint
Rainbow
still goes.
That shit was
to this
hard.
day.
That shit was hard,
That shit
nigga.
still goes.
Wait till I get in the
And the
basement.
M&M joint
Ooh,
goes.
Wait till I get in some motherfucking basement, nigga, and find that Home Depot NASCAR jacket,
Oh,
nigga.
I got
Niggas ain't ready?
you got the Home Depot. I got the shit. Which one I got? That's like niggas was tight because it shit is super rare. It was not the Ronald McDonald shit.
The
Skittles joint?
No, it's not Marlboro. It's some. Oh, it's like a shell.
Oh, the shell joint.
the shell
Shell
shit?
shit, yeah, which was hard to get.
shit,
I actually got that from a white guy on eBay
I believe it.
because he was like the wild NASCAR fan. And he was like, people from the Bronx are buying NASCAR jackets on eBay, and like his whole thing was like, it's never been around smoke. And I was like, oh shit, because it meant a totally different thing. Like he was just like throwing smoke free shit. Because I had bought a Harley Davidson jacket. And I did not realize whoever owned it, I don't know if they made cigarettes or if they were a cigarette, but that jacket fucking reeked, my nigga. Like before I even opened it, I was like,
damn.
why does shit smell like lung cancer? And, first of all, I opened it and it called me a nigga automatically. So I knew it was an authentic jacket. And I was like, all right, this is good.
Yo.
It's like when I went to the Vanson store and they was like, y'all, like, why? Like,
What do you hear?
What do you?
Do you have a motorcycle?
They're like, what kind of motorcycle? I was like, nah, nigga. They was like, what's your motorcycle? I was like, the 2 train. So that shit is 4 cylinders,
I was
nigga.
like, nigga, I got a Harrow that I stole from some white kid.
Oh man.
I got a mongoose, nigga.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh baby.
Oh yes, man,
Mr. Postman. When you think of that, do you think of the actual people who made that, or do you think of Joel Santana?
Oh, Joel's.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even know who's the originals.
The original, wait a minute, the Postman is the Marvelettes.
The Marvelettes.
They were
There
the
you go.
original
Yes.
black trio from the Marvel universe.
Yes.
They were when Thanos snapped his fingers, they disappeared. They were at a lunch counter. It was like very problematic, and Stan Lee never wants to talk about it.
Yeah.
It's bad. It's bad.
They were like, yo, Stan Lee saw that shit coming down the pipe, and he was like, yo, I'm taking the easy way out. Who's Stan Lee?
Who's Stanley? Who?
Who? Mons, who's Stan Lee?
Oh, Jesus, Mike. It's been episode 159.
Motherfucker!
Another masterpiece. Another one, as Assad would say.
You know what I'm saying?
When they're like, yo, should we add another person on this track? And he's like, another one. Yo, it's your boy, Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tineo, aka Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go.
Shit. Oh.
There we go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Also, shout out to the Webbies recognizing how strong the brand is and giving us an award. We were honored by legendary thespian Tracy Morgan.
You know what I mean? Who took the stage to brag about dropping out in 12th grade.
Yes. Very weird, but we'll take it.
Yo, word flex, but okay.
Okay. And I said, it's sad. It hurts me. I said I was going to retire Chris Dasper Sling Dick. Mm-hmm. Such a good name.
Yeah, it is.
It's a good name, but he's
such
just
a great play on words. But it's just like he's just moving further away from the light.
Yeah,
he's moving further.
So you know what? It's on injured reserve.
That's right.
It's on injured reserve. Maybe
until the facts come out.
Yeah. Some of that might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego. He got washed at the club, bro.
Come on, dog. You 17 getting washed?
Yeah, man.
Grow up.
Getting washed in Lavio. What niggas hit you with a rocket? Come on, bro. Mr. Nando's with a rondo. 1994 Mikel going off the Juve Boss. MC Little Gunga P.
Yeah.
It's a good soup. Shout out to all my West Indian mothers who are just like, you know what? I don't care if it's 95 degrees outside with relative humidity of yes. I am making this thick, hot-ass soup with cassava, and you're not getting any kind of drink with it.
No.
Okay?
Enjoy it.
You've been outside running around all day with your friends. You smell frowsy. Come sit down and drink 95,000 degree soup.
That's right. Enjoy
Gunga P soup. Which I'm not even gonna lie. If my mother made some right now, I'd go with a compound bucket and fill it up and just bring it back to New York.
Yo, shout out real quick. Shout out to the knowledge at the foot spa when they were like, "Yo, have you ever noticed that Chinese teacups never have handles because if it's hot, it's too hot to hold, like Hove, then it's too hot to drink. It would be bad for your body."
See, that sounded deep, but if you think about it, she's just paraphrasing. Hold on,
give it to me.
I believe one of the illustrious, most prolific philosophers of our time.
Oh, true.
I just want to make sure. I just don't want to misquote it.
Yeah, no. You definitely get it right.
There was a legendary movie. I know Victor fancies himself a film buff. I'm
a cinephile.
Not a pedophile. Cinephile. Yeah. But yeah. Sorry, I think this might be a little too highbrow for one Victor. In a movie, not many of you guys saw it. It was called, let me pronounce this right, Ghostbusters 2.
Oh.
One prophet, Bobby Brown, said,
"True.
Too hot to handle, too cold to hold."
Ooh.
They called it Ghostbusters, then they in control, had a throwing party for a bunch of children, where all the time was underneath the building. So they grabbed at the group, got a grip, came equipped, grabbed the proton packs, and off the back they split. Okay.
Ooh. Yeah. And then he sniffed the wild rail.
He came in with the rail. Because we had to. Produced by L.A. Reid and Bobby Brown. You know them checks. Nigga, them checks was hitting. Woo. Them checks was hitting so well. Bobby Brown was like, yes, Stevie Wonder, we will make a video about you hearing domestic violence through the walls.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
There was no need for that.
Yo, Stevie, you see the vision, right?
Imagine you in a club and that come on. You're just gonna go home.
Like, yo, come on, man.
You're like, damn.
I don't want to do this.
Domestic violence is a problem, yo.
That's Hasan's everybody go home joint.
Yeah, that's that coat check music. Mikel going off the Juve Boss. MC Lagoon people up from 40 with Shorty. You can don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. Uber, you owe us money. We came up with the idea of having a function to ask for a quiet ride on this podcast. You stole it, you dirty thieves. And then to make it worse, they only put it on premium.
Wow.
So if you in a regular Uber in the Uber pool, you still got to talk to niggas. But if you got like an SUV, which, you know, we're the wild dickheads in LA, and we take the SUV 3 blocks, and the driver's like,
That's right.
You know you have a waste. You know you are wasting a Uber SUV if when you get in it, the first thing the driver says is, "It's just y'all."
Just y'all. Yes, it is.
They just put their feet up on the console, like, yeah. You ask the driver for a charger, but you're only going 3 blocks. The original +1 got +1. So don't make a fuss and act like we've been here before. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado, so it's Young Pa, the Ghost Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the coonery. AKA Chili Mullen, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo-K. And also, we were the right and semi-right fielders for the Yankees. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Right and center. Well, actually right and center because Charles Oakley was like, nigga, move over to center. And I was like, yes, sir.
When Charles Oakley says something, you do that shit. You do that shit. I don't care if it's illegal. That nigga be like, hold that gun. I'll be like, I ain't holding this gun.
Yes, sir.
Could you turn around? Because I'm about to boof this. 2 phone Jones, DJ Mock and the J Chuck with Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute.
Yeah.
You know, I'll just happy. I'm 240 because I like my peanut blurry. I'm back on the Dr. Bonner's label shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm using with the exfoliation gloves. Shit's popping, dogs. You know, gotta use that dead skin off there. Dear not trap you, because I'm not like you nasty niggas who don't wash your legs. Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot blurry, but not blurry enough where like if you put it on the big 84-inch screen. There's that delay.
It's like the weird. It's like mad digital and shit. It's like
you're getting like artifacts and shit. Yeah.
Nah, I'm not with that.
Yeah, man. You're like, is that a condom? I don't know.
It could just be a square.
You go in the comments, mad comments like, yo, rest in peace to Shorty. You're like, damn. What year was this?
Damn. Damn.
This nigga jerking off the Casper. DJ Woolite, aka you listen to Watch FM. Yeah. I am DJ Jesus. And actually, I'm DJ Woolite. I'm taking y'all on a blast from the past. Y'all niggas, y'all think y'all know hip hop. Y'all don't know about Northern State, do you?
Shit.
You know about Northern State?
Oh shit. Yo. We trying to be the 3 white girl Beastie Boys, but we fail miserably and we can't rap no more, yo.
Shout out to Northern State. Where was Northern State from? Anyone have a guess?
Long Island.
Long Island, Strong Island. Female hip hop group.
Yo.
Yes.
And they used to go on a track like, yo, I'm rapping and I'm doing hip hop. I'm like, oh my God.
They were named after the Northern State Parkway, one of the highways on Long Island, Northern State.
Yo.
Yes.
They got mad love back in the day too, and I was just like,
it was hilarious. Could you imagine 3 white girls from Long Island opening their mouths and acting like they could rap? Yeah. I mean, I don't want to throw anyone under the bus. You know who gave them the heavy cosign? One Questlove. Love you, Amir. The Curry Code, Judas Spicer, Jamal Hashman, the Bronx Celine Dion, your nephew's nephew, the Mero you cannot contain, the human memory went to Ja. He gonna fuck us up next time we're on Fallon. Yeah. Young Errol, the young provocateur, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcross, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human world is melting in their mouth. They're probably like record execs now or some shit.
You know what I'm saying? Of course.
They got a hip hop box.
Yeah, they produced Machine Gun Kelly's last album.
Hey, MGK, you need more tattoos. Mr. Bexar Decative, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Savage, Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Mac, but I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
And it's thick and juicy.
Yeah.
And if you get a slap chop, you can have salad in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can put some on your eyes.
Tired of paying high prices for nuts? Look, a peanut, a strawberry, slap, slap. Look, now you got toppings for your ice cream.
Perfect.
We're going to change America one slap at a time. Someone on Twitter was like, yo, what is this? I just came across this. Everyone's like, yo, how old are you? like, nigga, at one point, America's economy was based on slap chops. That's all we had. That's why we went to war with Iraq.
We had slap chops and ShamWows. That was it.
That's it. I'm still waiting for my slap chop. You ever notice those things? They're like, call now, and it's going to come in 6 to 80 weeks. You're like, whoa.
6 to what?
80 weeks is a federal sentence.
That's a wild range.
They're like, yo, they don't know how the mail works. And then Amazon came and was like, nigga, you want something you ordered? We will deliver shit that you haven't even ordered yet. And I'm like, how did? Oh shit.
Oh, I just knew, nigga.
They're like, oh shit. I was like, I do.
Wow. Oh what the fuck? Are you listening to me?
Should just send you like the wild pack of diapers and shit. You're like, why would I? Then your phone rings. You're like. Dun, 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 dun. Amazon Black Mirror. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The done data ganoosh, no more couple noodles, Prince of Peckham, Fashion Over, Cash Nova, we make sense, 5 cents, $10. Forget the small change, give me.
Tell her, what you want, what you need?
Big money one.
That's right.
Hey. It's almost barbecue season. At every barbecue you go to, if you're a West Indian, you are required by law to play Big Money Wine, send 5 cents, $10, and I want to sex you up by calling me bad. Don't ask me why. It's just the rules.
That's right.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left. Churro Risotto, holy cow. Yeah. Also that song, On the Boardwalk. That's a big, oh no. This is a big tune.
The boardwalk.
This, if you are West Indian, you know this fucking song, and there's absolutely no reason why people play it, but they always playing it.
Oh, yes. Oh, my God.
Just the Benny Kings. I think I was conceived to that song.
I'm like, yo, why did you throw this on right after Elephant Man?
Why are you playing this at midnight? This shit does not ring off. My father's like, that shit is March Madness.
Yo, does your dad put together Tarantino soundtracks?
His soundtracks be on some shit, and then right after it would be like Celine Dion, cause you're mine. Like mad West Indians crying and shit. Yo. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
You know what I'm saying?
It's just I can catch me at square one, top left. Man's is Mar.
Yo, don't chase me, bro.
Holy cow. Mr. Southpaw, so all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
making beef stroganoff.
Would you like help?
The hamburger helper glove comes over. He's like, "Hey, would you like some?" Oh wow! Oh God, what are you doing?
Wow! Never mind.
And I'm like, get over here. Your name is Helper.
Yeah.
Come help me with my meat.
Yeah. You got a hand and a mouth. Let's go.
He goes over. He's crying. He's like, "I'm not that type of helper." I was like, "You help me with my meat, right?"
Yeah.
Get over here.
Come over here, motherfucker.
He's like crying. Like,
oh my God.
Did we just make like just afterwards he just cry like I feel so dirty.
He's not even in the shower, he's in the delicate cycle in the washing machine. Like,
no, you just see the actual glove pulled off of him, like slumped on the floor, and just see like the actual veins and shit in the shower. He's scrubbing himself. Put the lipstick around his mouth in the mirror, like, I am a whore. I'm a whore. Now we all love Hamburger Helper. They're the new sponsor.
Shut that up.
Are they really helping the hamburger? As a cow, I'd be offended. I'm like, yo, like I got everything I need right here.
Yeah, no, you're not helping.
Is the hamburger helper just spices and noodles?
It is literally paper noodles and like some weird powder in a bag.
It's like egg noodles, right?
100%.
Okay, so it's just like, yo, if you can't cook the minimum,
yo. If you can barely turn a stove on, we got you. That should be the slogan.
That used to be the wild scumbag. I used to make the Alfredo from a box. Yeah. And the packet was like, yo, you could use milk or water, whatever.
Whatever, nigga.
Like, that's not how pasta works.
Literally said whatever, nigga.
They were like, whatever, nigga. They was like, yo, just throw that shit. You know what? The first ingredient, the first instruction of the box was like, yo, just throw me in the garbage because you're going to do it anyway, fam. You gonna throw me in the garbage and take me out. So like, let's get that shit out the way now.
Yo, brought to you by this nigga ain't shit incorporated.
And you there struggle. You like, yo, I'm supposed to put this shit in for 6 minutes or 3 minutes, or 3 minutes and like vape the plastic and then
do
stir
I gotta
it?
Constantly stir?
Oh wow,
oh, shit, yo. Yo, you said it's gonna be mad disappointed.
And you look at the side. It's like this. It was like daily supply of sodium. It was like why?
It
was like, yo, I don't snitch.
You didn't need to tell me that.
Just says redacted. I can't tell you because you know I'm on the federal indictment.
Nutrition facts look like the Miller report. This shit just mad black lies. Like, yo, we don't. You
don't need to know that.
No.
She got real nigga nutritional value and shit. It's like snitching 0%.
Yo, son,
you know what I'm saying?
Yo,
all right.
I plead the fifth, nigga. That's the nutrition facts.
Keeping the G 100 is actually the 100 emoji. We got OJ Purple Stuff in this soda. It's me, Sonny D.
Oh my God.
David Yurman, these expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Smokino, Andrew Cunan, aka the Junior, NG God Junior, come sit down behind the charger. Call me Pet Cook, your bitch on freeze, gossip, Sayasip, and Sayasit. Yeah. Call out to the 117191, aka Grandpa Joker. When you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Your man's dead eye Jesus, more than the sheriff. Mr. Chopping that street, these bad music, I'm easy, please believe. The black Asian addict will crack your back like automatic craftmatic, meets the lava arena, and mesh marino, refreshments, mean a cold demeanor, aka the sheet mask killer. Yeah. No one could be iller. I could actually sneak onto any Wu-Tang documentary, say that with my name, and they wouldn't know I was on there.
They wouldn't even know.
I was like, I was on the Protect Your Neck remix.
You'd be like, yo, I'm Master Killer, Master Priest Killer.
Mm-hmm. I'm Y God, the Black Zach Moore support guard, aka your problematic Bday. If you leave the windows cracked, you can keep your kids in the backseat on a hot day.
Yeah. Hooray!
Your kids will be all right because the earth is flat, so the sun will never actually get over your kids.
That's right.
Okay?
It won't change its angle.
Okay, can I borrow your Ultima?
It has multiple vertices.
I gotta go to the studio because, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, Grumpy Cat just died and I want to drop a RIP G-verse for that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yo, you think you could post that on your job's Instagram?
Word, God.
I thought you fucked with me, though.
Yes, that's right, assholes. 159. We're out of here.
Whoa.
I'm saying,
you gotta do it. Yeah. OS.
Old school. You know what I'm saying? Take it easy.
Take it easy.
It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalif, You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt. Loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking Bull Mastiff and keep it moving, nigga. Ask me if I give a fuck. Actually, I may give a fuck because Bull Mastiffs are quite large and I may have incurred some front end damage. So we're gonna have to call the insurance. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby, I fucking mank, my nigga. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the motherfucking guest list. I play George and Peppa Pig, nigga. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's sunglasses off, man. I'm not playing. You don't believe me? I don't play George and Peppa Pig? Check this out. Daisha. See? That's me, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit, my nigga George. Yo, I fuck with the shit heavy.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
Can we flick it up one time?
Yeah.
And 1, 2, 3, say Brexit. 1, 2, 3.
Brexit. Hey, thanks, y'all.
Oh shit! I can't believe they had George from Peppa Pig at the fucking celebrity.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Desus and Mero here. We're actually from the Bronx. Like you getting excited about an animated pig? Animated is a pig.
That's
shit.
We here. Yo, we got no one show late night twice a week.
This nigga here for the cycle.
Thanks, AKA CC Dad Bath here because you catch me in my basement doing dads like a motherfucker. AKA getting to the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA I got my boys matching Cadillacs to make up for the fact that I said my Bodega Princess is my current favorite on Deep Cuts with Hasan Minaj. Available on YouTube right now.
Check it out.
You know
Shout out to Hasan Minaj.
Minaj. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the motherfucking what? The dad of the year. AKA
Dad of the year.
Big Smack Biombo. You know what I'm saying? AKA Diego Mero, AKA taking your baby Tombo. You know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. AKA David Trizzle. Pow, pow. Take that for data. Hey, listen, we're going to finesse this third pick. We're going to make it work. You know what I'm saying?
We are.
Positivity, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like Fat Joe said. AKA Bartles Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Dundada Deckman Daddy. AKA Swipe My Card Again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for a quick selfie. Ask me how Heather and the kids are doing, Steven. You like your little Dollar Tree cashier job, Michael, that put the fucking Fabuloso in the bag and keep it moving, bro. I got to deodorize my crib somehow.
Deodorize,
You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mommy. I'm so nasty. Let me find out. I'll stand up 69 with your 60-year-old Titi on stage at United Palace. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Catch me in the Heights, nigga. I'll put my dick out at the premiere on the red carpet, nigga. I don't care.
Lin-Manuel was like, what are you doing?
Stop.
Yeah, what are you...
He's a genius. He made Romeo pull his penis out. It was a genius move, performance art.
Lin-Manuel doesn't even get mad. He just gets on the piano and starts playing a song for it. Like, cocks on the red carpet.
Uncut cocks. AKA Light No Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you're broken together. So get the fuck out of here, because we nowadays niggas just giving us weed. So I don't even need your 5, nigga. You can keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? In the immortal words of the Big Pun, go that way. You know what I'm saying?
Niggas wanna be like
you know what I'm
Pun.
saying?
Niggas wanna bust a gun,
but it's so hard. AKA Tom Brady, you got my balls inflated, you know what I'm saying? Then Bobby Crafts, nigga, we getting table showers over here. We the table shower boys, you dig? AKA feel that ass Tyson consensually. You know what I'm saying? Exploring your cosmos.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out on live. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing this shit before all these fucking SoundCloud rappers started abusing fucking barbiturates. You know what I'm saying?
Nice.
AKA Frano Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. So that I can function in society. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? The flagship on Dykeman. You know what I'm saying?
On Dykeman.
Don't even worry about the fucking rating. You know what I'm saying? If you just turn the C sideways and put a line in the middle, it's an A, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Pow. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I implanted a microchip in Trump's cavernous skull that has a thesaurus on it so he cannot sound like an absolute penis during speaking engagements. You're welcome. AKA, I open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lioness, nigga, man. Come on, baby. I typed in the wrong URL, man. Come on, man. I meant to go to Job Hub, man. Come on now. Why would I go to Pornhub when I have a beautiful woman like you in my household?
Lucius ain't even no thing called Job Hub.
They told me. I picked up the chief it was on the corner, and they told me to go to Job Hub. I'm gonna knock over this pitcher of water and run away.
Lucius!
AKA Baby Doodle with 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA Nino Brown shut the Carter down. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from Fine Fair bagging groceries on your behalf for pennies and humming all his greatest hits is the East Streamon Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? And as per usual, mate, You know what I'm saying? I have to say this every time because I feel like it's not getting through your dense skulls. You know, kiss your mother's fanny. There's only 2 rock stars left on this motherfucking planet. This godforsaken planet, and they are the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a quarter zip of weed up in my butt.
That's smart.
You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna get on an airport flight later. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they don't find that in my butt. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met my friend since I'm never gonna fail. AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, balancing his portfolio with moderate risk investments. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Oh, sound investment. He's investing in Google. That's smart. AKA, if you see me at Target higher than Manute Bowl jerking off on Mars, eating makeup by accident because I think it's a push pop, approach me like a motherfucking Earthside mammal, nigga. I may react vertically. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up fucking drunk as shit and high off barbiturates, and I don't even know what I'm doing. I park my car wherever the fuck I want. But can you please give me money now, sir? Please. Can I have my money?
Get out of here.
You smell like urine.
Well, guess what? Your $50 deposit? It's mine. Fuck you. I'm out of here. AKA, so I sold fake links to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, man. He's high on fucking Mistolin, nigga. And I ain't even put nothing else in it. It's just Deer Park water and Mistolin. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, oye, ¿qué es lo que es? Esta es la vuelta que hay con Mero Matatán, no. Y goles de FIFA, coño, lo más lindo que ha salido de Mao City después de Don Tito. Me llama un 38, está duro y no se tranca. La tuya es buena, se caquilla y no dispara. Le llegaste. Estoy a prueba de chapa y busca tu lipo por otro lado, Xiomara, que de este lado tú no lo vas a hallar. Shout out Cash Up, shout out Showtime en la casa, you know what I'm saying? Shout out siempre, como siempre, Los Smith. Si tú no tienes cuarto, loco, quédate en tu casa, por favor. You know what I'm saying? Lambiente los granos, you know what I'm saying? Que shout out DJ Hasan enseña que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Basi, shout out Dubeli, shout out Dímelo, shout out Borquete, Camilán, y shout out JC, y shout out mi presidente Pío. You know what I'm saying? Secretario de Defensa activo con el cañón. You know what I'm saying? Me quité ya. You know what I'm saying? Catch me on fucking Take Me this weekend, nigga. Wild and fuck out. I might gotta take my shirt off.
That's right. Someone's doing some Narcan so he doesn't like pass out.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, be sure to check out www.bodegahive.com for all your Bodega Hive related needs and accessories.
That's right.
Why go to anywhere else? Major order world. No, go to bodegahive.com.
That's
you got a
right.
pay stub and you got good credit or somewhat good credit or someone's credit card. You leave in a car. We don't even sell cars.
Hey, Desus.
Hey.
I'm looking for merchandise and also as well tickets to you guys' live show. Where should I go?
What a coincidence. My computer is left open on this page that's called bodegahive.com. If you go right now, you could get tickets for their appearance in Miami, Austin, LA, Houston, and Dallas. Also, there's a hyperlink to get to merch made from Peralta Project.
Unbelievable.
All of this at bodegahive.com. That's bodegahive.com. What's that website again?
Bodegahive.com. Visit.
Check it out. Put it in your CD-ROM. www.cannabis.com. Real hip-hop, hip-hop, hip-hop. Hip-hop never dies.
You know what I'm saying? I'm running 1,000 miles in sand.
Yeah. Yo, we out.
Holla, peace. Yeah.